What is the area of the blue region? Trigonometric identities, arithmetic, and algebraic processes are used to solve this question.
Let the base angle of the outer larger right triangle be θ. Label triangle C and D, as shown. Angle θ corresponds to base angle of triangle C and D, respectively. Also, let the side length of the blue square be x. We obtained side lengths of triangle C and D, as shown. From triangle C, using trigonometric identity, x minus 5 divided by 5 equals tan θ. We call it equation 1. Also, from triangle D, using trigonometric identity, 3 divided by x minus 3 equals tan θ. We call it equation 2. Equate equation 1 and equation 2, since each equations equals to tan θ. This implies that x minus 5 divided by 5 equals 3 divided by x minus 3. Cross multiply and solve for x. It follows that the product of x minus 5 and x minus 3 equals 5 times 3, which equals to 15. Expand brackets. And we have that square of x minus 3 times x minus 5 times x plus 15 equals 15. Combined like terms and simplify. It signify that square x minus 8 times x equals 0. This implies that x multiplied by x minus 8 equals 0. Hence, x equals 0 or x equals 8. Therefore, blue area equals x square, which equals to 8 square. The result is equals 64 square units.